It gave me hope that one day that Tibet will be free.
Any interesting scene that you would like to comment about, or any particular scene?
Like most of the fights showed me how like the struggles that people have been a long time ago, and I feel like the movie like made more people like perspective of that.
Okay. Anything else that you want to say to your friends about this movie? Because we do have another show for tomorrow.
Why are you looking at me? You gotta say.
It's very inspiring and tells us like more depth in how much struggles that the people had back then.
I think it also like shows us how we need to start standing up for ourselves and doing more for our country as we grow up.
Anything that you'd like to add?
It showed us how like Chishi Gongdu actually put in a lot of effort just for us to protect our freedom, and that we should still fight for our freedom now.
Yeah.
Big yellow. Big yellow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tering baca sana ngaru susu imbaca sana tengmu tangbo nakchu soksen dejilia yoya ning thapne tengke ki kosuda gyakyo cheba ning thapne thosena shui ani sem dingne ka chu chembu chus cheza teri ki ze go dinde jina lolia nye thoya din baca sana sozong khona zu changmo susu sugi ringne lia ga xinda susu sugi ringne lia jinjo yuza cheza topshu dinde shuyje dingji gan lia susu gi zidu ine 제냐미네리 근데 뱀모습에 하고 싶어서 제가 마음바 랭게 창매 무추 안주기 소정기 수규링네네리 안ning 안주기 자탕게 지도디 무추 점블린 가스칼리아 하커주야디 안주 창물라 냠도 슈게비아기 저와든제시 터체나